Okay guys, no? So excited ako i-present sa inyo ang bagong labas ng Royal Enfield, ang Himalayan 2024. So ito ay may 4-stroke, single cylinder, single overhead cam na may 452cc liquid cool. Ito ay may bore and stroke na 84 by 81.5 mm at may compression ratio na 11.5:1. So ito ay naka-electronic fuel inject. Okay guys, no, ang motor na to ay merong max power na 29.4 kilowatts at 8,000 RPM. May max torque na 40 Newton meter at 5,500 RPM. So kanyang clutch, meron tayong wet multiplates and slip assist. Yan, 6-speed manual transmission. Ang kanyang final drive are chain. Yan, may frame steel. Front suspension, 43 mm, Showa telescopic fork. Yan. Okay, so ang front wheel travel niya is 200 mm by 7.87 inch. Rear suspension, Showa pa rin tayo dyan, monoshock. Wheel travel, 200 mm by 787 inch. So ang kanyang front brake single, 320 mm disc, 2 piston caliper. So ang kanyang rear brake single, 270 mm disc, single piston caliper with dual channel ABS. So para naman sa kanyang front tire, meron tayong 90/90 R17. Ang kanyang rear tire naman is 140/80 R17. So meron tayong seat height na 825 mm, ground clearance na 230 mm, meron tayong dry weight na 181 kg at may fuel capacity na 17 liters. Alright? Okay guys, no? So para naman sa ating second unit, itong modern classic bike mula pa rin sa Royal Enfield, ang Super Meteor 650cc, no? So bigyan ko kayo ng konting specs dito sa motor na to, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So ang engine type na ito ay parallel twin, 4-stroke, 648cc to be exact, no? Ang kanyang engine displacement. So meron naman tayong bore and stroke na 78 mm by 67.8 mm. So ang kanyang cooling system, oil cooled. Yan. So compression ratio 9.5:1. So meron tayong fuel system na 15.7 liter, transmission of 6-speed, constant mesh. Yan, kung makikita nyo, no, napaka-classic. Then yun dito, yung kanyang panel, no, makikita nyo, colored na siya, parang digital colored na yung kanyang panel dyan. Naka-naked handlebar siya dyan. Yung kanyang grip, may nakalagay pa na Royal Enfield. Alright, so yung kanyang front suspension, no, 43 mm upside down, telescopic fork, 120 mm travel. So ang kanyang rear suspension, meron tayong twin shock, 101 mm travel, preload adjustable. Okay guys, no? So para naman sa ating front brake, meron tayong 320 mm disc twin piston caliper. Para naman sa rear brake, meron tayong 300 mm disc twin piston caliper pa rin yan. So meron tayong wheelbase na 1,500 mm, seat height na 740 mm, fuel capacity 3.96 gallon at tayo ay may dry weight na 241 kg. Alright, so ang motor na yan ay mula pa rin sa Royal Enfield Bacoor.